If you're looking for an all-in-one platform to manage your marketing, sales, websites, funnels, and client communication, you've probably heard about GoHighLevel. But is it really worth it? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at GoHighLevel and find out whether it's the right solution for your business. Before we begin, if you'd like to learn more about GoHighLevel or try it for yourself, the GoHighLevel link is available in the video description. One of the biggest reasons why GoHighLevel has become so popular is that it combines multiple business tools into a single platform. Instead of paying for separate software for email marketing, landing pages, CRM management, appointment scheduling, text messaging, and automation, GoHighLevel brings everything together under one dashboard. For digital marketing agencies, consultants, coaches, freelancers, and local businesses, this can save both time and money. You can manage leads, track conversations, automate follow-ups, create sales funnels, build websites, and even manage customer reviews from one place. Another feature that stands out is automation. GoHighLevel allows you to create workflows that automatically follow up with leads through email, SMS, voicemail drops, and more. This helps businesses respond faster and increase conversions without spending hours manually contacting prospects. The platform also includes a powerful CRM system that helps organize contacts, monitor sales opportunities, and track customer interactions. If you're running an agency, you can even manage multiple client accounts from a single dashboard. One feature that many users love is the white label option. Agencies can customize the platform with their own branding and offer it as a service to clients. This opens up opportunities to generate recurring monthly revenue while providing additional value to customers. Of course, no platform is perfect. GoHighLevel has many features, and new users may need some time to learn how everything works. However, once you become familiar with the system, it can replace several tools that would otherwise require separate subscriptions. So, is GoHighLevel worth it? For many business owners, marketers, agencies, and entrepreneurs, the answer is yes. The ability to manage marketing, sales, automation, and customer communication in one place makes it a very attractive solution. If you'd like to explore GoHighLevel and see whether it's a good fit for your business, remember that the GoHighLevel link is available in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more tools, reviews, and strategies to help you grow your business online.